Yeah. The metals in the list below have many different uses: aluminum, copper, iron, silver, and steel. State which metal from the list is used for a compass needle.
Then next.
Uh, State which metal from the list is used for compass needle, a magnetic screening, and the core for a transformer.
So tell your answer.
A compass needle, aluminum.
Okay, then magnetic screening.
Copper, maybe. Now the core of a transformer, copper. Magnetic screening, iron. Just guess for say.
Then the core of a transformer,
Copper.
copper again. Okay, so
No,
any more?
no.
Any
Magnetic
more?
screening would be iron.
Yeah, magnetic screening we learned in topic 17, and about compass needle also we learned in topic 17. Core of a transformer we learned in this topic, topic 23, electromagnetic induction. So, any more ideas? Yeah, Moshe, do you have any more ideas? Ziba,
Outside the
Ziba,
core, which is iron.
Ziba, are you seeing the screen?
Yes, sir.
So, what is your answer about A1, A2, A3?
A1 till A3 is I don't know A2.
A1, A1 is what?
Still,
Steel. Why steel?
because if it is magnetized, it is permanent.
So for compass we need hard magnetic material, right?
Yes.
So are you allowed to write on the screen?
No, I'm on my phone right now.
Okay. So it should be steel. Aisha, it should be
Yes, sir.
steel. It should be steel. The compass needle, everyone please write it. Question number 4, we are writing the answers. Why? To make permanent magnet we need hard magnetic material. So here we are having steel. Other than steel, we have more hard magnetic material. Can you give me the examples of more hard magnetic material other than steel?
Nickel, cobalt.
Yes, nickel, cobalt. So other than steel, there might be nickel, there might be cobalt. So that time we should pick that one. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? So we are done with the first one. Now the second one, magnetic screening. This one already Aisha told, that is iron, it is correct. Iron, it is soft magnetic material, yeah, and it is used for magnetic screening. Then next one, the iron core of a transformer. You know, in transformer we need changing magnetic field, right? Isn't it? Hello.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So change in magnetic field if you want to have, then in the solenoid, you have the idea of solenoid. Inside the solenoid we keep iron, we don't keep steel. To make the magnetic field more stronger, we are using iron. If we give steel, then it will be permanently magnet. Then it will not have, or it will not create change in magnetic field. Is it clear to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
It is iron, core of the transformer. And another thing you told, did you tell copper? Hmm?
I actually
Yeah,
no.
iron is the answer, but copper is is used in wires, right? So the transformer has also the windings of wires, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
In that place we are using copper, winding of wires. So you write also that note.
স্যার
This one
একটা
is,
কি দুইবার লেখা যাবে?
sorry,
একটা একটা কি দুইবার লেখা যাবে একটা আনসার?
no. Oh, which
আইরন
one?
দুইবার
Okay,
লিখেছেন?
I I understood wrongly. I thought that you were saying in one answer you can write two. No, uh, iron you can write twice. No problem.
Okay.
It can be written twice. So this one is in bracket, huh?
স্যার ম্যাগনেটিক স্ক্রিনিং এর জন্য আয়রন কেন ইউজ করছি?
Uh, if you can remember that magnetic screen we are using for protecting the delicate electronic instruments to protect them from the outside magnetic field. Okay, can you remember we discussed about a box where we keep the delicate electronic instruments, and the outside border of the that box is made from iron, so that the magnetic field lines can channel through the iron and it's not affecting the electronic instruments inside the box.
তখন ম্যাগনেটিক স্ক্রিন ম্যাগনেসিয়াম দিয়ে বানানো ছিল না?
Is it clear? Hello.
হুম। Yes, sir.
That is in topic 17. You can check out the notes we gave there. It was done in class 9. Okay, now we have next one. Can you read Ziva? B1.
Describe one use of a transformer.
Yeah, here you will say use and how it is used, both, because we have 2 marks. You got the answer? Hello.
I remembered the answer.
Yeah,
Hello.
you check your notes. You check your notes where we are using the transformer. There are some ideas in our notes.
It is used to transport electricity from power stations to homes.
Mm-hmm. Then explain it how.
It is we are using long distance grid lines to transport it.
Okay.
It is
So,
used to change the voltage into current and transmit it.
mm-hmm. Yeah, read what you are saying. Read, Adnan.
Volvamata.
Yes. Tell your one also.
It is used to change from voltage into. It is used to change the voltage into current and transmit electricity from one place to another.
Okay, so you got it from the mark scheme, right?
আমার মার্কসিম এখানে নাই। আমি খাতা থেকে দেখে বলছি
Okay, from
মানে
your
এসি এটা
yeah, actually in mark scheme, what is written there? There is a slash. Either you can say voltage or you can say current. So there is change in voltage or change in current, right? And as it is alternating current, isn't it? So there is change in current and there is change in voltage. Either any one you can say. So this idea you can use. Then another one you said detail of operation, that you said to transmit electricity, yeah, from one place to another place. We are using it. So what Ziva told, that is also correct. Yeah, what Ziva told, that is also correct. She told about uh, to transport electricity from one place to another place, right? And how we will do it? By using the step down transformer, isn't it, Ziva? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what is happening in step down transformer? There is change in magnetic field, right? As there is changing voltage or change in current. So you can write this as both are we are combining
হ্যাঁ
your
স্যার
answer.
আলাদা করে লিখলেও কি হবে যেমন step up transformer is used to increase the
No
voltage
problem,
in the
no
grid
problem.
lines and so the current is less in the grid lines হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা
Yeah,
ঠিক আছে
no problem, no problem. You can write also that way. So you should say the use and how the process is working. That one you have to say how it is. Okay, both you have to mention. For that you are getting 2 marks. If you only say the use, then you will get 1 mark. If you explain it,
ওই
then
তো
you will get
এভাবে লিখলে
another mark.
হবে না যে যেটা ওই
Yes,
যে শর্টে বললাম
yes,
a
yes.
transformer is a device that changes voltage to current and it
Not this.
transmits
Not saying voltage to current.
ভোল্টেজ টু কারেন্ট না,
মানে ভোল্টেজটা মানে
Say
বাড়ায় দিয়ে অন্য জায়গায় কারেন্টটা কমায় দেয় মানে এসি করে দেয় তারপর হাই ইয়েটা ইলেকট্রিসিটি
yeah, if
ট্রান্সমিট
you say
করে
that way, it is okay. But if you are changing voltage to current, that is not appropriate wording. Okay. So if you are meaning that yes, we are increasing the voltage and decreasing the current, that is fine. But if
মানে
you are
এসি বানাই দিচ্ছি
yeah,
এসি ট্রান্সফরমার
if
হ্যাঁ
you are saying we are changing voltage to current, that is not correct concept. Because if there is voltage, always you will get some current, isn't it?
হ্যাঁ
Is
হ্যাঁ
it clear?
ওই
So
তো ভোল্টেজটা ই করে
so
দিয়ে বাড়ায় দিয়ে
be clear about your concepts. Voltage cannot be converted to current. If there is voltage, always you will get some current. Okay. If you are getting alternating voltage, you will get alternating current. If you are getting all DC voltage, that means direct voltage, you will get direct current. Is it clear now? So you can write that one. If you
বলছি
yeah, that is transporting. Yeah, you are writing that one.
লিখবো
Transporting. Yeah, you're right. Transporting. You want to write here?
না স্যার আপনি লেখা শুরু করছেন
Okay,
লিখে
okay.
ফেলেন সমস্যা নেই
Transporting electricity from
one place to another
one place to another, from grid lines to our house. That one is more specific. The one Ziva told, grid lines to. I am writing a bit detailed so that you can understand it properly. Transporting electricity from grid lines to our house.
it
So this
changes
is
high
yeah,
AC voltage at low current to a low AC voltage at high current
yeah. That one is the usefulness of having the high voltage in
transformer
grid lines. Yeah,
আচ্ছা
that is the
ওটা লিখতে হবে না
usefulness. Not here necessary. You just use of transformer. Transporting transformer. What is the use of transformer? Transformer is doing
It transmits or
either
transports electricity
either
from.
either increasing the voltage or decreasing the voltage, isn't it? Either it's making step up or step down the supply, isn't it? So you are writing transporting electricity from grid lines to our house. This is one use. Then you are writing the explanation by changing voltage. You know we are having higher voltage to lower voltage, right? By changing voltage means from higher to lower here. And if you are saying about power station to grid lines, that will be opposite. You can also make your answer from power station to grid line. That time changing voltage will be from lower to higher. Is it clear? Hello?
Sir, বুঝছে।
Yeah. So if it is done, then we are going to next one. Are you done with writing, everyone? This one? B1 is finished. Yeah. Aisha,
Yes, sir.
are you done with writing? Shafi,
Yes, sir.
Azmain, Moshe?
जी सर पेरंडियन
Yeah.
Done, sir. Done.
Please write. You write. This is worksheet on topic 23 and question 4. Listen, in mark screen, we don't have details. Here we are getting the answer with explanation. So it is more understandable to you. Sometimes you will not understand the mark scheme. That one only teacher can explain. In many cases, it happens. So here we go now. B2. Yeah. Can you read Ziba, please? Hello. Ziba.
গ্রাফ আবার কবে করলাম আমরা?
You forgot graph. You check your notes. Then you'll get the
আমার
graph.
মনে নাই। না,
You see topic 23. After the generator, you have the graph. AC generator graph.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ পাইছি।
So you did it,
সাইন
but you
গ্রাফের মতো
forgot.
দেখতে।
You did it, but
Yes,
you
yes.
forgot. So you draw it now. Now it's your turn, Adnan. Read the question, then draw the graph, please. Adnan.
An AC generator supplies an input voltage of 220 volts to a transformer. In the space below, sketch a graph of the output voltage against time for the AC generator.
Yes. So output voltage.
স্যার একটু
Against
বড়
time.
করতে হবে একার জন্য, এত ছোট তো একা যায় না।
Okay.
আচ্ছা না থাকলে আমি না 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 না
It's okay. I'm making it bigger. No problem. You
আচ্ছা
can
এক
also
সেকেন্ড
see
আমি
your
আরেকটা
notes. Everyone check your notes. In notes it's written there. It's taken notes. You show both positive and negative, okay? That is AC. Aisha. Aisha,
Yes, sir.
uh,
Yes, sir.
can you take a snap of your notes where we gave this diagram and send it to our group about the AC generator graph?
And do I have those notes?
Yes, we do. Of course we have. I gave you it.
No, I'm talking about myself.
Yeah, I compelled you to draw.
I don't have in this copy. I have in the other copy.
Oh, then Moshe, do you have
স্যার বলেন।
this graph we gave in class? You have it now?
দাঁড়ান স্যার, খাতার পিছনে যে চেক করতে
Yeah, please check it, and if possible, you send us one snap in our group. That diagram.
স্যার হয়েছে?
Yeah,
স্যার
টাইমের নেগেটিভ যাচ্ছে কিভাবে?
it's
জানি না স্যার
it's
বললো।
আচ্ছা স্যার দাঁড়ান, আমি যদি ভুল না করি আগে
আচ্ছা স্যার আপনি নেগেটিভ একটা বললেন, এটা বুঝালেন না নাকি?
negative means voltage negative.
ভোল্টেজ নেগেটিভ হইতে পারে, টাইম নেগেটিভ হবে কিভাবে?
আচ্ছা
আতলুক বিয়ার্ডো।
Voltage here you give minus V naught, and here you give plus V naught.
স্যার
That line
দেখেন
should
আমি
be.
শিওর না, আমি পাঠাইছি।
Yeah, let me check. Yes, this
স্যার
graph. Yes, this graph. Check, we gave there all the things labeling, and there should be, yeah, plus minus voltage mentioned clearly. Yeah, here you give in your book it's given, you see. You can see in the group. One is yeah, you give anything you can give, no problem. It is, if it is plus, it will be minus, that's it. But they will be of same value. If you give here V, not V1, you give only V, this one will be minus V. That's it. Only showing that one is positive, another one is negative. And
স্যার
yes,
আমার ছবি তুলে সেন্ড করব নাকি?
yes, also you send your one so that we can have more rich resources. Yeah, we can enrich ourselves, yeah, with more variations. So look, there we gave in that diagram we gave everything. So your diagram is fine. If you are giving this way, you will get 2 marks. Okay. So everyone, please draw it.
এখানেই থেমে থাকবে?
No, I gave you time to finish drawing. Please finish drawing, everyone. Are you done with drawing?
এরপরেও ফিজিক্স না নাকি?
এরপরেও ফিজিক্স।
হ্যাঁ, দুটো ফিজিক্স।
Okay, so if you are done with drawing, everyone, you please draw it. Finish drawing, then let me know you are done. Then go to next one, 2. Yeah, Ziba, you read it. The
Number
transformer.
2.
Yeah, the transformer has 1700 turns. That one.
The transformer has 1700 turns on the primary coil and 85 turns on the secondary coil. Calculate the output voltage of the transformer. 11 voltage.
Yes. So you, at the beginning, you got input voltage 220 volt. So when it is said input, that means primary. Is it clear?
VS by VP, হ্যাঁ।
So write the formula, rearrange it, then you get the answer. So we are going to find VS.
স্যার ইনপুট হচ্ছে প্রাইমারি আর আউটপুট হচ্ছে সেকেন্ডারি।
Yes, yes.
ও তাহলে এনএস।
Do quickly.
ঠিকই তো লিখলাম নাকি ভুল লিখলাম?
না ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে।
Answer is
One thing we understand that our output will be very small, right? Isn't it?
স্যার সেটা আমি বুঝি নাই, এখন আপনি
From
বললেন
the
হয়তো
you see
পড়লে বোঝা যাবে।
one thing we understand, like look here, we have 1700 turns and we have here 85 turns. So output, if the number of turns is less, then in the output the voltage will be also less. It is a simple idea. Yes. So what is the value coming?
11 ভোল্ট স্যার সে।
So everyone got the same?
স্যার ঠিক আছে।
Okay, then we are done with this part. We are going to next part. Are you done with writing, everyone?
স্যার
Tell me.
বিএস মানে হচ্ছে সেকেন্ডারি না, ভিপি হচ্ছে প্রাইমারি,
Right.
মানে
Right.
এসপি।
Mm-hmm.
তাহলে এখানে হচ্ছে আমি বিএস হচ্ছে 85 ডিভাইডেড বাই 1700 দিব না?
Sorry.
তাহলে আমি হচ্ছে 85 ডিভাইডেড বাই 1700 equals to
Listen, you just write the formula. This way you don't remember. You just remember the formula, just put the values. That will be easier for you. We got here the equation. You already wrote, right? The way Jiba wrote. VS we are going to find, that is output voltage. So VS equals what? NS by NP multiplied VP. You write this. Have you written? NS by NP multiplied VP. Now you put the values. That's it. 1700 divided by 85. What you say? You don't need to check that one. You just check what is your NS, what is your NP, what is your VP. That's it. So your NS is 85, isn't it? Number of turns in the secondary, NS 85, then NP is 1700. So 85 by 1700 multiplied 220. You got it now?
yes, sir.
Yeah, go with the formula. Then it will be easier. It will come. And make subject what you are going to find. Okay, now see. Yeah, Adnan, you read, see.
Figure 4.1 shows a magnet next to one end of a solenoid. The terminals of the solenoid are connected to a very sensitive ammeter. The magnet is moved to the right at a constant speed and a reading is observed in the ammeter. Explain why there is a current on the ammeter.
Yeah, why there is a current in the ammeter. We already did similar questions. At least 2-3 questions we did similar. So you can make it now. If you go through your previous question answers in your notes, you will get it. Why there is current in the ammeter?
আমি লিখবো নাকি বলবো শুধু?
You read, you write, no problem. Write and tell, no problem.
স্যার একটু উপরে উঠান তাহলে।
Okay. Is it fine?
আদনান লিখছো না?
এক সেকেন্ড আমি একটু ফোনটাই করতেছি, এক সেকেন্ড স্যার, একটু ওয়েট করেন।
I can write, but I want your participation. That will be more better. If you write, it will be good practice for you. Yes, Moshi said hello.
মসি ইয়েতে ল্যাপটপে
আইপ্যাডে
So you
iPad-এ
can
করা
also
যায়?
write.
লিখো লিখো,
করা যায়।
ভাষায় দিলা
এই
নিজেরে,
তো এই হে রে
ভাষায় দিছিস নিজেরে।
আপনারা থাক না এত কষ্ট
স্যার
করে।
লিখছি।
ওই যে লিখে দিছে।
Okay, it's all right.
ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড লাইনস মেনশন করা লাগবে না?
Yeah,
নাই?
it's
ও আচ্ছা,
it's
না,
sorry,
better.
ফিল্ড
sorry.
লাইনস
ওই
লিখছে,
যে ম্যাগনেটিক
I'm just
ফিল্ড
asking.
লাইন্স, আমি ফিল্ড লাইন লিখছি, হ্যাঁ সরি।
You if you write field lines only, we also accept it, but it's better to write magnetic field lines.
অ্যামিটার ডিফ্লেকশনের ব্যাপারে লিখতে হবে।
They are saying reading in the ammeter is fine. He's saying that needle deflects means giving some reading.
It's correct.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. So everyone understood it. We are getting here induced EMF as the magnetic field lines are cut by the coil or cut by the wire. So here for writing this part only, you are getting 2 marks, and for induced EMF mentioning, you are getting another mark. So we are done with this meeting. After 5 minutes, you join again.
স্যার 7 মিনিটস টাইম দেন, নাস্তা করে আসি স্যার।
Okay. Okay, you join after 7
হ্যাঁ
minutes,
স্যার,
but
আমাকে স্যার।
I will come after 5 minutes.
স্যার না স্যার, এইটা কি স্যার? তারপর
স্যার
মিস
আমরা
করে
একটু
দেব।
একসাথেই করি।
Okay, okay.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আমিও যাচ্ছি স্যার, কিছু খাই নাই।
ডাবল ক্লাস তো,
Okay,
হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা,
okay.
আল্লাহ
হ্যাঁ
হাফেজ।
স্যার,
No problem.
আল্লাহ হাফেজ বন্ধুরা, সালাম।
আল্লাহ হাফেজ।